We would like to introduce the Philips Golden Ears training programme. The objective of this programme is to train staff to reliably detect and identify differences in sound. Let's take a closer look at this proprietary software and see how you can become an expert listener. The software offers training at 4 different levels, as shown here. If you're a beginner, you start at level 1, which provides a course in basic listening. It gradually becomes more difficult and ends at level 4, our Golden Ears standard. At each level, exercises are grouped into categories. Those categories are timbre, spaciousness, details, bass and loudness. Each of these categories begins with an introduction and a sound demonstration. The introduction clearly explains how the effect is applied. For example, here you can adjust the balance between high and low frequencies. Can you tell the difference? After listening to the sound demonstration, participants proceed to the exercises. To test what they've just learnt, participants have to answer questions by listening to tracks that randomly switch between 3 options and picking out the correct one. Can you tell which one is brighter? You get a shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime. Bingo! Your answer is correct. See how easy it is. There are a number of questions in each section. If all the questions are answered correctly, that section's training is complete. If any question is answered incorrectly, participants have to go back 1 step. All answers within each category have to be correct before participants can move to the next. With a bit of practice, progress can be made in a mere matter of days. So don't give up if you don't succeed on your first try. In higher levels, you will notice that not all of the exercises are available, as this is a demonstration version of the software designed to give you a feel for the full training. The Golden Ears level also contains a quiz, so that you can test your newly developed listening skills. In each question, 2 pieces of music are compared, and you can decide which one is affected by the attribute shown. At any stage, you can show or hide the correct answer to the current question. At the end of the quiz, you can display all of the correct answers using the button at the bottom of the screen. On completion of the Golden level, a certificate is presented to participants. Graduates are then eligible to take part in the practical training necessary to participate in blind listening tests, helping us define every detail in sound. When you first install the software, you must be connected to a Philips network. If you are not connected to a Philips network, you will be prompted for an unlock code and shown a machine identifier. Email the machine identifier to the address shown and an unlock code will be provided for you. Please allow 1 working day for delivery of the code. Before making a start, it is important to check that everything is working correctly. You can do this by clicking on Settings. Here you can follow steps 1, 2 and 3, making sure that you can hear both the medium and bass sounds by clicking on the corresponding buttons. We all have different skills. Some of us might naturally be good at differentiating frequencies, while others more adept at the spatial aspect of sound. Anyone can be a Golden Ears, so give it your best shot and unleash your listening prowess now.